Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share the recipe of delicious fall muffins that are full of pumpkin flavors and a hint of cheesecake. Without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe we will need 150 grams of sugar, 160 grams of flour, 70 grams of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 170 grams of canned pumpkin puree, 225 grams of softened cream cheese, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a medium bowl, whisk together 160 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. In a separate large bowl, whisk together 1 egg white, 150 grams of sugar, 170 grams of pumpkin puree, 70 grams of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix until combined. In a small separate bowl, whisk together 225 grams of softened cream cheese, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 50 grams of sugar until smooth. Divide half of butter among prepared muffin tins, then top with cream cheese filling and swirl with the toothpick to create a marble effect. Bake muffins at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 24 minutes. Let cool completely before serving. And this is it. Our delicious pumpkin cream cheese muffins are ready. Bon appetit!